Hey guys, I'm Jam from Jerome.com and today review natin ang bagong case for my Samsung Galaxy Note 4, the Verus Iron Shield case. So it's now available in different colors and it's priced at 1,740. So i-review natin siya kung ano ba meron dito sa Verus Iron Shield case and kung bakit ko siya ginagamit and mas gusto ko sa other cases. So tara, i-review na natin and itry sa Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Alright, so here's the Verus Iron Shield case. So it comes in different colors, pero kinuha ko yung black and gold. So ito yung Samsung Galaxy Note 4 which is white, and ang kinuha ko is yung black. So it's available for 1,740. So yeah, proceed tayo sa review. So sa loob meron tayong parang pattern na design na parang circular pattern na design. It's parang rubber, made up of rubber. It's quite sturdy and ramdam mo na may protection talaga. And then according to it's made in Korea. And then on the sides we got here the metal. Yes, just similar na build quality katulad dito sa Samsung Galaxy Note 4 side. It's metal. So this one is gold. Kasi yung kinuha ko yung black and gold variant. And yeah, medyo maganda siya tignan and I didn't have too much problems with it except for this one. So ito lang yung naging problema ko dito, which is medyo matulis siya. Actually, medyo matulis siya. Yung nakalagay sa may S Pen na part, medyo matulis siya. So minsan natutusok ako. Well, hindi naman siya nakakasakit, pero ramdam mo na medyo matulis siya para sa isang case, you know. I mean, sabihin natin nakaka-scratch, nakaganon, or well, malabo naman makapoke siya ng eye, pero I mean, it's still matulis. So, yun. So, here we have the USB and then the microphone. And then, yeah. Sa likod, we have the, remember, if you could still remember the Samsung Galaxy Note, the Samsung Galaxy S5, it has the perforated back na design. And similar to that one, it's rubber. There's a grip naman dito, so medyo okay siya hawakan. And since malaki Note 4, madali siyang hawakan kasi may grip tayo dito. So yung design niya is quite okay naman, and I didn't have too much problems with it. When it comes to fitting, so fitting niya is like this. So lagay ko lang siya. Medyo masikip lang siya, pero pag nalagay mo na, okay na siya. Yan, so since nalagay ko na yung Samsung Galaxy Note 4, yan na po. Medyo okay naman yung fitting niya, masikip naman siya. I mean, it's not super sikip to the point na hindi mo siya mailagay. Well, nakita niyo naman kanina, masikip siya. Pero, ramdam mo na talagang in place yung kanyang case and maganda talaga yung pagkakagawa doon sa moldings niya. The buttons, I didn't have too much problems with the buttons. I mean, similar pa rin yung force na ginagamit ko sa pagpindot. And ramdam mo naman pag napipindot mo yung buttons, similar to that one. And naka-emboss naman siya. So, unlike other cases na hindi naka-emboss. So, here we have the parang logo ng Verus and the Iron Shield na nakasulat. And of course, dito, malaki yung butas niya. So, even if maglagay tayo ng mga, I mean, ang problema dito if yung maglalagay tayo ng mga OTG siguro, pero pag mga charger lang, you don't have too much problems with that. Pero pag OTG, medyo maliit yung butas na to. Then, wala tayong problema sa microphone. And, of course, this is S-Note, except for sinasabi ko dito na matulis. So, yeah. I guess that's it sa review ng Verus Iron Case Shield for the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. It's quite good. Again, it's available in different colors. And that's priced at 1,740 pesos. Para sa akin, okay na okay yung price niya. The quality, the design, it's clean, it's sturdy, it's solid, and maganda talaga tingnan and masarap gamitin. So, ayun po, if you're looking dito sa for a case na Verus, well, maghanap po kayo sa mga resellers. Hopefully magkameron tayo sa Digital World, pero hindi, I'm not sure if meron, pero hopefully meron. And magabang lang tayo sa mga list ng mga stores na magkakameron ng Verus Iron Shield case. So, yeah. So, yun, I guess that's it for the review of the Verus Iron Shield case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 4. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, mag-subscribe na po kayo. So, once again, I'm Jam from Jerome.com, and thanks for watching the unboxing. And, well, now unboxing, it's a hands-on and review of the Verus Iron Case Shield for the Samsung Galaxy Note 4.